Ang nagustuhan ko kay Atos Financial is that they offer all types of insurance from life insurance, health insurance, property insurance, hanggang doon sa pet insurance meron. So in short, we are a one-stop shop insurance sa aming mga clients. At the same time, we are on pioneering stage. So naging mabilis yung promotion para sa akin at para din sa mga kasamahan ko na dinala ko dito kay Atos Financial. Ang commission natin dito kay Atos is ranging from 25% to 45% per sale. If you close one sale, nag-average tayo ng 20,000 pesos ang commission ng isang agent. So for example, if you close 4 sales in a month, that will give you around 80,000 to 100,000 per month. And that will give you a 1 million income within 1 year. Plus, you will get an override commission of 10.50% on every sale ng isang agent na na-recruit mo kay Atos Financial. So for example, meron kang 10 agents na nagkakaroon ng 30,000 pesos per month commission. You will get around 31,000 to 35,000 pesos per month as a passive income coming from the override commission ng mga agents mo. And here's the good news. Kapag na-promote ka to become a unit manager, that override commission will increase from 10.50% to 25%. So for example, meron kang 20 people na nagbenta at nagkaroon ng 30,000 pesos na income, that will give you a 150,000 pesos passive income kahit wala ka masyadong ginagawa as a manager here in Atos Financials. We have a unique support coming from our leaders. We have our own video production. Also, we are using our own CRM and AI.
CRM is a customer relationship management, pero we incorporate AI and that's our difference. We integrate AI sa CRM para siya na ang mag-organize ng mga leads para sa aming mga agents. Binibigay namin ito sa mga agents for free. I'm also responsible for providing the landing pages for the whole team. Nandun nakalagay yung mga materials na kailangan ng bawat client at agent. So napakaganda at automated ang support.
Merong mga video ads, video materials especially for beginners, lalo na yung landing pages and automatic CRM leads with AI support. Sa totoo lang, naging napakadali para sa akin na makapag-close ng clients online. Dahil sa lahat ng support using the new technology, madali nang makapag-close ng clients online using this. At dahil dyan, I was able to earn 6 digits income.
The system that we are using here, I think we are the first company who are doing this for a sales agency here in financial industry. So, it is easier for our agents to have more leads for them to be able to expand their horizon in this industry.
I was able to earn 6-digit income while spending quality time with my family. Here at Atos Financial, nagkaroon ako ng time freedom. At dito, meron ding unique system na all of your leaders and fellow agents ay tutulungan ka. Not unlike sa ibang company na sariling sikap. Dito sa Atos Financial, tulungan ng bawat agents.